So in this question, we are asked to find the entropy of the location random variable. So let's write down the location variable first. So the location, there can be three different locations: the room in first floor, the room in second floor, and the room in third floor. So let's label them as 1, 2, 3. And we need to compute their probabilities of these things happening. So he flips a fair coin first, so it's half probability he will end up in this room, so it's half here, and the other half he will climb to second floor or third floor, so half probability, total probability is half here and here. And what's next? So he flips the same coin, so half again, so basically half probability of this half, 1/4, he will end up here, and the other quarter he'll be on third floor. So we have the random variable already, so we can calculate the entropy using the formula, which is just the sum minus sum of py log py. So this is basically minus half log half minus quarter log quarter, and then repeat this twice. So log base 2 half is log base 2 to the power minus 1. If you have exponents inside the log, you can just move it outside. So it's minus 1 log base 2, which you know is 1. And so the whole thing is minus 1. It cancels out with this minus 1. So the first part of this expression is just minus plus 0.5. And the second one, log base 2, 1 over 4, you do the same way, log base 2 to the power minus 2. So you move the minus 2 outside, and then log base 2 of 2 is just 1. So it's minus 2 times this a quarter times minus 2, so it becomes plus 1. So sum them up, you get 1.5, which is C.